Hello everyone, Patricius Juwandono here. Today's topic is about digital marketing. There is a special subtopic that I would like to discuss today, and that is grabbing attention of your customers or of the public. Now, people used to say that if you have a social media and then people click on it, it's a good sign. Well, that's not enough. The fact that people click on your website or on your social media does not necessarily mean it's a good sign, because they can only click and then after a few seconds they go away to another posting or to another social media, and of course that's not a good sign. That's not what you want to happen. Now what you want to do is to grab their attention, to make them focused on your special presentation on your website or on your social media. You have to grab their attention. Now this short video will explain how you are going to do that with your social media. Okay, let's follow my presentation. Okay, so this is the topic for today: how to grab people's attention on your digital media. This can be useful if you have a social media or if you have a special website for your business and then you are wondering what to put there. Now what you have to put there are some special presentation, some special materials that will keep your viewers focused on that presentation or focused on that content. You want them to pay attention for a long time. Okay. Now the first thing that you can do is presenting mini graphics. Mini graphics is something like that that you can see on the screen. It's an information which is very dense, very concise, yeah, and it presents your viewers with some interesting facts about something. Here is the benefits of exercise. So you can do this, you can make this with some free website, with some free apps available on the internet. You can design mini graphics about the facts or about the information which is related or relevant to your business. So use this. Present facts, information, useful information in the form of mini graphics like this. Okay, that's the first one. Now the second one, which also works well, is short lists. You can make short lists. Short lists are good because they are easy to comprehend, they are easy to read, they are quick to read, yeah, but they keep the focus of the attention there on your short lists. So for example, you can say something like what is in the screen here: our service translates quickly but accurately. So this is of course in the case of providing a translation service. Suppose you are running a translation service, this is what you can put in your short lists. And second is translates all types of texts from various disciplines and then charges reasonable fee. Yeah, of course this is only an example. You can make something else, some other information which you put in short lists. Short list is good again because it grabs your viewers attention. It gives information without making them bored. Yeah. Okay, next one is you can read how to article. An how-to article, of course, is an article which explains how to do something or how to perform something. So for example, here my example is how to apply makeup in a warm and humid weather. See here, short essay about how to apply makeup in warm and humid weather. Yeah, so you can read it yourself. It requires specific techniques and products and etc, etc. So this is another way of maintaining your viewers attention. They will be interested in this kind of content. They will focus their attention on it because they want to know how to do something. Of course that something must be related or must be relevant to your business or to your service. Okay, the next one is, yeah, you can also present some tips and tricks. So for example, if you are running a course, an educational course, or consultancy agent for people planning to study abroad, you can present them with this kind of tips, top study tips, and then you, in each box here, you put some short but meaningful information about how to study. Yeah, so this is also a way of grabbing and maintaining your viewers' attention. Okay, and you can also present some FAQ, frequently asked questions. For example, how long should we wait for the completion of our order? And your answer is normally it takes no more than 3 hours. Next question will be how much is the fee? Your answer will be it depends on the size of the pet. Suppose you are running a pet grooming business here, it won't be higher than $20, etc., etc. Of course, you can put this after you collect some questions, some frequently asked questions from your customers, and then you turn into this kind of information on your website or on your social media. Yeah, so that can be another means or another way of grabbing and maintaining the viewer's attention on your website or on your social media. Okay, so that's it. Short tips for grabbing your viewers' attention. I hope it works with you. Good luck with your business and see you again in my next episode.